Kumusta? Kumusta guys? Welcome back to my channel Simply CM, and today is our second morning dito sa Alanya. Sobrang nice guys because nga it is sunny today. The sun is out. It's warm. It's nice. Tapos, nakita ko lang yung sa Denmark na update ng friend ko. Nag-snow na doon. So, total opposite talaga dito. Doon is snow. Dito naman is feels like so summer. Ang laki ng hotel na pinag-stayhan namin kasi nga normally is maliit lang na parang room. Ewan ko ba, baka naka-promo ito, kaya ito kinuha ni Martin. So anyway, pakita ko sa inyo yung labas. Hindi siya ganun kamagandang view. Pero okay na din. Tingnan nyo, puro kalsada. But then if you look up, I hope you can see that. Super nice. May pa-castle sa taas. Maganda sana pumunta dyan, pero parang hindi kakayanin. Masakit ang tuhod ko. Ewan ko ba. So, ngayon nga, we are on our way to go out again and get food. Tapos, it's gonna be a long day today. Kasi, after naming kumain, we're gonna go to the clinic. And then, Martin will have some of his procedure. Ganon. So, let's just hope it's not gonna be so painful. Yun nga. So anyway, see you when I see you guys. Sobrang seryoso niyo. Anyway, ang sarap dito kasi may mga pakape sila, ang dami. So nakadalawang coffee na ako today. Pero hindi kami nakapag-breakfast kasi matagal kami gumising, and then I just let him sleep long, so hindi ko na siya, I didn't wake him up, so it's okay din naman. Yeah, so no breakfast, but we're gonna go out now, so we're gonna have our brunch, and that's it. And then see you when I see you later. Okay lang ba yung aking pa-makeup guys? Naglagay ako ng parang konting makeup ba? Kita ba? Ganon. So yan, so sobrang mainit dito, pero yung outfit ko naka-pants tayo. I think that is okay. So yun nga, kita ba? Hindi masyado, no? Okay, but anyway, naka-pants tayo. Kasi wala tayong dalang shorts. Okay lang din naman yan. So andito pala kami sa Noma Hotel. Every summer is a new story. Ito yung ano nila, oh. Pag nabasa nyo, yung mga socials nila, andiyan. So yan, see you when I see you. So nice, eh? Okay guys, nasa labas na tayo. We'll try to find some food. May nakita daw si Martin dito kagabi habang naglalakad kami. Let's see kung he's right. Tapos mabilisan na ito kasi nga in 1 hour may schedule tayo sa dentist. It's gonna be masakit. So guys, andito na kami. Ewan ko anong pangalan ng store. Medyo malayo-layo yung nilakad namin kasi nga gusto kumain ni Martin ng pizza. Pero pagdating dito, hindi pa ready yung oven nila. So, we're just gonna have like a normal kebab thing. So, yun. Sad face si Martin. Tingnan nyo naman yan, no? Ganda din naman ang view. Look. Yeah. Okay, so yan na guys. May palibreng pa salad pa di ayo. Kain tayo. Ito na yung lunch natin.
If anybody wants to find me, I'll be in the last place you would look. In a place where people used to be, a land that's called reality. You'll find me there. won't be catching up on Reddit. I won't be watching any news. I'll let the planet spin without me, 'cause everything has been without me sometime. And everyone will be alright if I'm not live by satellite. It's a beautiful day, I'm running away. Don't bother to Facebook, message or call me, 'cause I'm living life in airplane mode, and everything is okay. I just wanna play, unplug for the day, and live in the moment. 'Cause I'm living life in airplane mode, yeah. I'm always drowning in the static. I'd rather swim in crystal seas.
Wala, hurot na dayon. Hurot. So ito na guys, may palibre silang Turkish tea. So ino-offer talaga nila after sa lahat ng mga pinagkainan namin dito, at the end nag-offer talaga sila, libre lang. So yun, ganda. Medyo relax na si Martin. Kanina sakit ngipin. Right now I'm drinking tea, but in Turkey. I really want to make shorts like that just to tease people, you know. Right now I'm cleaning my house, but in Denmark. I think it's funny, right? Don't you think that's funny? I started with this.
What are you doing?
Right now I'm drinking tea, but in Turkey. Let me see.
I just in the tool.
Hi. Let me see. Am I pretty? Let me see. I mean, we'll have to make a lot of those. That's actually funny. Right? Oh, I'm gonna make a short videos of that. Like, it's like, what are you doing? And then all the videos will be just like that. Do you think that's smart? Martin, what are you doing? Martin, what are you doing? Right now, isn't it? So speaking. But in Turkey. Do you think that's funny? What time now? 47 now. You know, the going there takes time. We have to go to the... Guys, I make a video. Stop these people watching or something. Like, what are you doing? Was it video or was it another?
What was?
Was it video?
What was video?
You take here or go for professional or what?
Video, of course.
I'll take a video. Like this, so it's not so obvious. Maybe you're drinking Coke. You're drinking Coke, by the way. Yeah.
Oh,
Martin, what are you doing?
relaxing, drinking Coke. But in Turkey.
We will make a bit. I think people are gonna be so annoyed. I don't know. Some of the people will find it funny. Some will find it. Huh?
Don't upload it.
I sent it to Ole. I think he understand the joke. Martin, what are you doing? I think that's so funny. Or just say, what are you doing? Yes. Okay, so guys, kadarating lang namin ulit. We've just been eating. Tapos bumalik lang kami to prepare ourselves kasi later may dentist appointment na naman si Martin. So, we don't know what's gonna happen. So, but there will be some kind of treatment. So, we don't know if he can eat later or not. Maybe he's in pain or not. But, yeah, we'll see. Busy siya. Nagtutoothbrush pa muna. And then, aalis na kami. So, yun lang.